ezyZip.
How to compress MP4 file. Go to ezyZip.com, then click on Compress Video, then navigate to Compress MP4 file. To reduce MP4 below a certain size, enter your desired file size in MB or by percentage, then click the Next button. You will be redirected to the correct file compression page. Click Select MP4 file to compress to open the file chooser, or drag and drop the MP4 file directly onto ezyZip. Click Compress MP4. It will start the compression process, which will take some time to complete. Click on Preview to see the compressed file in the browser. Click on Save MP4 file to save the compressed MP4 file to your selected destination folder. It's that easy. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.